It's all of our last names, and that's the decision on the farm. But the whole family farm, and it is a full family effort. Mom, dad, brothers, sisters, cousins, uncles, everybody pitches in and helps. So it really is a full family effort. My grandpa had blueberries and strawberries. He was a very big crop farmer, and he grew strawberries here. So it was kind of, Dad knew a lot more than I did. It was in his roots. Yeah, our family has been farming for a long time. I knew that I would need high-speed internet, which has been really crucial for us, trying to really step up our social media and having the availability of the internet, especially in a metal barn, helps out tenfold. It's been really great. So we do U-Pick, and that's one of our favorite things to do. Allows everyone to come out and pick their own. We get a lot of good feedback from that. A lot of families that, their grandmother used to pick strawberries, and they want their grandkids to come and pick. And then in the future, during pumpkins, we want to start doing field trips, and probably like a fall festival. So we'd love to get the families involved, get them down here, get to teach them some farming practices and let them play around in the farm. Perfect berry, about a medium-sized, fully ripe with a sugar cap on it. So those will be very, very sweet.
What is the best berry?
Right out of the field. Pick it and eat it. Yep. That's my favorite way. They seem to taste better as soon as you pick them off the vine, and to see the plant, to see where it came from, it just adds a little bit to the flavor.